Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change text color on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, let's just create a story on Instagram. Click on this plus button, and then I'm going to click on story, and I'm just going to upload a photo from my gallery. I'm going to upload this photo, for example. Then I'm going to add text first to my Instagram story. Okay, and if you want to change the color of this text, we can click on this icon, and then you just need to select the color you want to apply to your text, like this. And I'm gonna go with this one, and you can also change the background of this text. You can go to this icon, just tap on the icon to change the background color. And I'm gonna go with this one, guys. Sorry, I'm gonna go with this one. Once we're done, we just need to click on done, and then I'm going to place the text right here. Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can change the text color on Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.